everybody.
Hi.
Two hungry neighbors here.
Two hungry neighbors.
Celebrating St. Patrick's Day, or
right.
St. Patrick's Week, whatever you want to call it.
Week.
Yeah.
I love
Yeah.
St. Patty's Day.
So this is no corned beef and cabbage right here, but there is some green, right? There's some green.
There's a lot of green.
There's a lot of green, though. Yeah. So we have got a, it is a crispy tofu, quinoa and Swiss Chard bowl. So we took a recipe, we changed a couple things, and this is what we've got. We've got some quinoa, some roasted tofu. It's really spicy. It's good.
It's very good. It's got a nice crisp on it, and it's definitely got some kick. I mean, the sriracha probably you could cut back if you didn't like spice, but I like it.
Yes. And then we made this orange tahini dressing that we're gonna drizzle over it.
And then this, I love Swiss Chard. I'm a huge fan. I did not even know what it was before owning a tower garden, but this is from your tower garden.
It is from a tower garden.
And it was just beautiful. And it cooks up just like kale or spinach or whatever, but I like it even better. And it's just full of nutrients.
So we just sauteed that in a little olive oil, just real quick. You don't want to cook it too much. And then just do a little lemon juice, and it just kind of brightens it up.
So we're gonna give this a try, and we've got our little plates here because we want to kind of get a little bit of everything. But what a great healthy lunch or dinner. I mean, you've got all the protein packed in the tofu, tons of nutrients here. You've got your healthy fats. You know, it's just really, I mean, this has everything for just a complete healthy meal. So I am so excited.
I'm gonna shoot that. I'm gonna drizzle this dressing. I love tahini dressing. Even just making it to put on my salad.
Yeah, I love that. Some avocado, some tomato, and a little tofu. All right, this is thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Cannot wait to try this. Sometimes, you know, everything individually, I mean, I like everything individually, but when you add it all together, oh my gosh, the flavor.
This kind of reminds me of the sunshine bowl.
It does. It does. That's one of our favorite recipes. So I am super excited to try this. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff.
The orange that's in there. Oh my.
So that kind of cuts the kick of the tofu a bit, don't you think? This is amazing.
I like the crisp, the crispness of the tofu. We probably overcooked it by a little bit because we were doing other things, but I really like it. I like that crispiness to it.
I love it. And with that orange dressing, and then you just sort of, you know, add in the coolness of the avocado. I think this is fabulous.
This is so good. I think Tim's gonna like this.
Oh, I think anyone would like this. I mean, here, I'm gonna get one more bite with everything on that, but it's really just the perfect combination of a complete meal. The protein, carbohydrates, and fat that you need. Again, your healthy fats. I mean, it is plant-based. I mean, there's no meat here because we're using the tofu. And it's vegan because quinoa is, I mean gluten-free because quinoa is gluten-free. So this is amazing.
So, you know, you said something that my doctor was talking to me about, those healthy fats. You know, the olive oil, the avocado, those are your healthy fats. And then also from your nuts and seeds. So,
yeah. So, all right, guys, highly encourage you to make this. Again, you could have your quinoa prepped up. You could go ahead and get, you know, your tofu marinated, and then literally it could be a quick throw that in the oven, saute up your Swiss chard or kale, and you've got dinner ready. I mean, you could have the quinoa and the tofu marinated before you go to work or whatever. Then you've got a quick healthy dinner. So, yeah.
This was a high five one.
High five. This might go on our 2020 favorites. You never know.
You never know.
We'll have to see. I mean, it's only March.
It's only March.
But it's the first one we've said that about.
No, that's true.
Since the beginning of the year.
So we'll go ahead and drop the recipe below, the link to the recipe. We did make some changes, which we'll mention. But make sure you hit the big red subscribe button. Jeez. And like us, please, and share the recipe with all your friends.
Yeah. Pass it on.
Yeah.
All right. See ya. This is so good. I love it. Okay.